Climate Quest. Can you save the world? Before we start, let's take a look at what we're playing for. Climate change is the long-term shift in temperature and weather patterns. This observed global warming is due to the expansion of the greenhouse effect. We need sunlight to survive, and according to NASA, about half the light energy reaching Earth's atmosphere passes through to the surface, where it's absorbed and radiated in the form of infrared heat. About 90% of this heat is then absorbed by greenhouse gases and re-radiated, which slows heat loss to space. Let's take a look at 5 greenhouse gases contributing to this. All of these have increased since pre-industrial times by up to 50% and are mostly human-driven, although all except CFCs can be produced naturally. These gases trap heat and therefore warm the planet prematurely. How are these gases being produced so considerably? Let's see how human activities contribute to this. Since the 1800s, humans have been driving climate change through dependence on industrial activities. Burning fossil fuels is the main producer of greenhouse gases, accounting for 73% of total U.S. greenhouse gas emissions and 92% of total human-caused CO2 emissions. Clearing forests for agriculture, the transportation sector, and more activities are producing huge issues across the atmosphere, ocean, cryosphere, and biosphere. What types of effects are we seeing? Hotter temperatures, more severe storms, increased drought, a warming, rising ocean, loss of species, not enough food, and poverty and displacement are products of climate change and are affecting communities every day. In specific, 1 million species are at risk of becoming extinct within the next few decades. Not only that, but every year environmental factors take the lives of around 13 million people and displace an estimated 23.1 million people. Avoiding the worst will need humanity to come together to limit the spike in temperatures to an average of 1.5 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels, requiring the world to cut 30 gigatons of greenhouse gas emissions annually by 2030. The Paris Agreement and United Nations Environmental Protection Program has identified 6 sectors with the potential to reduce emissions. These sectors include energy, industry, agriculture, food and waste, nature-based solutions, transportation, and building and cities. These solutions include technology we already possess to transition to low carbon and promote a resilient future for generations. Now, are you ready to play?